Cheap yet fun brands to get this lip right here. Okay? Good morning, my neighbors. How are you? I'm coming on because I just had someone ask me about my ombre lip and how I got it to do what it do. So I'm using two Color Stay ink crayons. This one is by L'Oreal. No, sorry, Maybelline. And the color is Accept a Dare number 60. This is another Super Stay, and this one is Make It Happen number 55. This one is Nicka K Bold Lip Liner, like a hot pink. And then if you want to like set it off in this mother lover, right? You can get the lip glass topper and look. And turn it all the way up. Alright. Cheap yet fun brands to get this lip right here. Okay? So this is this is LA Girl. This is graphic, topper gloss. I'm calling it lip glass, so that's what it reminds me of. Y'all know MAC lip glass that had you shining like this. This is a bold lip liner from NK, which is Nicka K, I'm assuming. Get that at the beauty supply. You can get these at CVS, Target, wherever. I would say Target. This is Make It Happen Super Stay by Maybelline. And this is Accept a Dare Super Stay by Maybelline. And it's an ink crayon. So it'll stay. But if you want to jazz it up, add the gloss, or you can leave it matte finish.